Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2024 Toyota CHR. Remember the original? It was a head-turner, a compact SUV that dared to be different. And guess what? This new version takes it all to the next level. First things first, let's talk about the exterior. Toyota hasn't played it safe here. The CHR is a sculpted masterpiece, with sharp lines, aggressive angles, and a stance that screams confidence. Those C-shaped headlights, iconic. The bi-tone paint option with the glossy black roof, instant head-turner guaranteed. It's like a concept car brought straight to the showroom floor, and it's going to make you stand out in any crowd. Interior. But the CHR isn't just about looks. Step inside, and you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious and tech-savvy cabin. Dual 12.3-inch digital screens dominate the dashboard, giving you instant access to everything you need, from navigation to climate control to your favorite Spotify tunes. The materials are top-notch, with soft touch surfaces and comfortable seats that hug you perfectly. And even though it's a compact SUV, there's enough space for 4 adults to stretch out in comfort. Under the hood, the CHR packs a punch. The hybrid powertrain combines a 1.8-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor for a total of 140 horsepower. That might not sound like a lot, but trust me, it's plenty for zipping around town and tackling those weekend adventures. But the real star here is the efficiency. Expect to get around 60 miles per gallon in the city, meaning you'll spend less time at the gas station and more time exploring. So, is the 2024 Toyota CHR worth the hype? Absolutely. It's a bold, stylish, and efficient SUV that's perfect for anyone who wants to make a statement and have some fun along the way. Whether you're a city commuter or a weekend explorer, the CHR has something for you. So, head down to your local Toyota dealer, take it for a spin, and see for yourself why the CHR is the future of city SUVs. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel SK Car Updates.